This one sounds really interesting. Cheetos apple pie? I gotta try it. Grab a food processor and some crunchy Cheetos. Save a half cup of those Cheetos and the rest will go in the food processor. Crush them up. As well as 3 tablespoons of flour. We'll need to crush it again until we have a fine powder. Put 2 cups of that into a large bowl. 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix that all up with a fork. This is going to go into a prepared pie dish. And you're going to press that in and up the sides. I'm going to par bake this crust at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. In a pan, I need to melt half a stick of butter. I have some apples here. I have about 5 of them that I've cut into chunks. I'm going to pour those in. 3/4 cup of sugar and a little salt. I'm going to cook this, stirring occasionally until the apples are broken down. And it's kind of caramel-like. It might take about 15 minutes. And now I'm going to mix in that last bit of Cheeto crumbs. Let's pour this into that prepared crust. Take that little bit of extra Cheetos and we're going to crush it just a tiny bit. Put those in a bowl with 1/4 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of chopped cold butter. And mix that all together to get a crummy texture. This is going to become the streusel topping. Sprinkle that streusel on the top. Cover it in aluminum foil. And we're going to cook this in a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Then I'm going to take that aluminum foil off and I'm going to cook it an additional 3 minutes. Cheetos apple pie. What a unique idea. I know people love cheese in their apple pie. Well, this is a new way to do it, but how does it taste? Definitely cheesy. Definitely Cheetos. It's a fun apple pie. I think I'll give it 6.8 out of 10. Who carves wooden figures and lives under the sea? The Whittle Mermaid.